Hello and welcome to the WOBstory Act 13. Parfum de Vie, 61%, is an aroma formula for the kitchen. Cooking in the kitchen. Cooking with spear cans in the kitchen. Yeah, nothing new. Just Parfum de Vie is 100% distillate. No inlet, aroma or whatever. This is a 100% distillate created through the fermentation of a fruit, through the distillation of a fruit, and Parfum de Vie is defined like that. Pure 100% distillates. The distillate is used for cooking, but not for sauces. The more puristic a dish is, indeed, the better the usability of a Parfum de Vie. What is puristic? Puristic is, for example, raw fish, raw scampi. For raw scampi, I would use either a lavender Parfum de Vie or a grape Parfum de Vie. Or, for example, you could also use an apple Parfum de Vie. We also have other products. For example, I would use a plum or an applewood for a portion of meat, such as a steak. By the way, if you want to know what you should cook, you won't believe it. I have 25 years. I've also published a cookbook with Wieser Verlag, The Art of Sautéing. We might still have a few copies in stock, but if you want to know how to cook, if you want recipe ideas, on www.wobet, you can find recipes for Parfum de Vie to recreate, and of course the Parfum de Vie for purchase at www.wob.8 or in our shop.